What's up, LC owners? Welcome back to the official Plomor channel. I'm DHG. Today's video is split into two parts. First, I'm going to introduce our co-creation plan. And second, we will dive into a detailed installation guide for the Plomor roof rack. To put in the simile, the co-creation plan is our way of rewarding the community. If you share videos of your installation process or how you use the mode on the tree, we will send you store gift cards. For Instagram posts where you tag and add us, you can earn a gift card valued between $20 and $18. For tickets or YouTube shorts, it's anywhere from $30 to $18. Full-length YouTube videos like this one, deeper installation and a review over 3 minutes, can get you between $115 and $300 back in gift cards. If you already have an audience, or if your video happens to take off and hits over 10k views, that bumps up to $300 to $500. There is even a chance to sign on as a long-term sponsored creator for higher tier support. We are always open to new partnerships, so if you are interested, drop a comment below. Moving on to the roof rack, most people get the LC250 for overlanding or heavy off-roading. But the factory roof is completely bare. There's zero modularity, making prop lightning and gear storage a must. The Plomor rack integrates both of these needs seamlessly. I've covered more production details in the previous video. So without further ado, let's get straight into the walkthrough and see how this integrated light bar rack goes together. Let's see exact how the package looked when you guys got it. Step 1 is removing the factory ditch molding caps on the LC250 and backing out the stock bolts. There are 16 mounting points total, 3 on each side. Now take the harness and pre-roll it into this front left bracket, leaving enough slack for the connector interface. The rest of the wiring can be tucked neatly along the weather stripping. It keeps things clean and protects the factory paint. Once that's set, secure the bracket bolts first, followed by the control box screws. Next, place the remaining 5 brackets into their proper positions in sequence and torque them down using the larger 8x14 hex bolts. With the brackets secure, lift the side rails up. Make sure you don't mount this backward. Pay attention to the front orientation. The side with the threaded holes need to surface inward. Then, use the 6x16 flat-handed screws to lock down the sides. Now, use the 6x12 screws to secure and lay down the 2 crossbars. We've preset an optimized spacing layout, so you can just use the 6x35 flat hand screws to load them straight into the pre-drilled holes. If you ever need additional crossbars for more gear capacity, they are available for individual purchase. Finally, use the 6x25 flat hand screws to install the rear fairing brackets symmetrically. At this point, the main structural frame is complete. Last step, we'll bring up the front light panel assembly. Before fully bolting it down, make absolutely sure to plug the factory side harness into the light panel connector. Once it clicks in, use 2 6x25 and 2 6x35 flat hand screws to lock both ends of the light panel down securely. One major issue a lot of guys run into when adding roof lights is hood glare. The light splashes right onto the hood, which can be incredibly distracting and blinding during night drives. But with this integrated Plomor setup, the beam pattern is protected entirely forward. It cuts out hood glare completely, keeping your lines of sight clear and safe. The roof rack is secured by bolts. There's zero risks of detachment when compared with roof light. The lines of this Plomor rack follow perfectly with the LC250's roof profile. It's a clean, full-on upgrade that looks completely factory. Just a final reminder, if you pick up this rack or any other accessories for your LC250, don't forget to join our co-creation plan. Drop a video on social media, tag us, and getting a few $100 back make this a massive value. If this installation walkthrough was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You can check out more LC250 armor and gear on the official Plomor website. I'm DHG. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.